A for B for
ball,
C for
cat,
D for
dog,
E for
elephant,
F for
fish,
G for
cat,
H for
horse,
I for
auntie,
J for
duck,
K for
lamb,
L for
mango,
N for
nest,
O for
orange,
Q for
king,
R for
red,
S for
sun,
T for
tomato,
U for
umbrella,
V for
balloon,
W for
notch,
X for
huh?
X for X for X for ఏముందమ్మా
dinosaur,
వెరీ గుడ్ Y for
yak,
Z for
zebra.
వెరీ గుడ్